So, andito ko ngayon sa Metro Tram. Maganda nila. Siyempre, maganda din kami. Ayan kami. Mag-rate tayo, Dave. Mag-rate.
Wala po.
Ayan po ang ano. So, hindi na ako nag sa entrance, but right now nasa loob na ako ng gala night natin, di ba? So, today's gala night, and kasama ko ang very beautiful millionaire kagabi.
Instant millionaire.
Millionaire yan na talaga siya, nagdag lang yun sa millionaire.
Thank you, AGG. Sobrang generous. And then makikita na yung company talaga sobrang daming pera kasi kaya magpabigay ng 1 million pesos.
Yeah, so mamaya buong yung maririnig yung 1 million niya, pero wala pa naman kasi sa kahit bukas daw isi-send. Gabi, my God, thank you Lord. Ano na? Gala Night, top 500 ng AGG na kung saan matutunghayan natin yung mga sobrang gaganda at guwapo, lalo na yung naghawak nito sa akin. O, i-flex ko yung video niya. And ang masasabi ko lang, galingan lang natin kasi ang sarap makasama sa ganito. Pakita mo nga, Coach Dave, yung mga venue natin, sobrang ganda. Yan. Sobrang ganda ng venue natin dito sa Metro 10 Pasig. Kaya sa lahat ng mga kapanood nito, galingan natin para makasama tayo. And maging top 500 lang tayo, hataw lang. Ayan, syempre, ito vlog to ha, vlog. Panoorin mo ang vlog ko na to hanggang matapos kasi sobrang daming guests. Tapos, ngayon, meron kami mga kasama dito, mga gwapo pero mga maiti. Hindi pa guys nagsimula ang venue. So, kakain naman ako. Dessert. Ay! Dessert. Ayan, manudulas pa tayo. Ayan na. Saan tayo, Dave? Pagkain.
Setting part ng
Event. Ito yung lagi yung ano. So, siyempre pagkasama ka sa gila, hahanapin ko dito yung pagkain. Ay!
We are AGG. We are unstoppable. Enjoy a night filled with inspiration and unforgettable memories as we toast to the past, present, and future.
So you can translate in French. He's our international trainer, very fluent in French. So, Brother Oscar, what are your good experiences in our last night's 20th anniversary?
Voilà.
Can you share some of them?
Donc, Monsieur Oscar, on va vous demander quelles sont les expériences que vous avez pu avoir.
Ok, merci beaucoup. Je suis très content et très ravi de vous parler ce soir.
I am very happy to see each and every one of you tonight.
Hier, d'abord, la fête a commencé pour nous hier.
For us, we have celebrated very well yesterday night.
Je crois que les bonnes nouvelles que nous avons reçues le jour de l'anniversaire hier a vraiment touché nos cœurs. Nous sommes rentrés à l'hôtel avec beaucoup de joie et c'est vraiment un événement magnifique que j'ai jamais vu.
And with the good news that we have heard yesterday, we are very happy, and when we couldn't even sleep last night.
Et c'est aujourd'hui le bon moment maintenant, on vient manger, on va danser. J'ai déjà l'impression que ça sera une très jolie soirée avec tout le monde. Bonne fête à tous. Merci.
So let's have fun tonight. I hope each and everyone enjoy our gala night. Thank you, everyone.
Ok. Merci beaucoup.
Ang food ng EGG. Ang daming food. Ngayon pala nakikita ko, busog na ako. Ang daming food. Grabe, grabe EGG. Madam, ano? Grabe ang food. Yes. Pila kami ngayon sa picture taking. Sa picture taking. Kanina kasi nakapila na kami, akala namin wala lang. Yun pala para sa ano natin. Wala na pala ako lipstick. Meron ako yung lipstick.
Zamboanga. Finland, Zamboanga, UK, ma'am, pangalan ba?
Josefina Claret.
Okay, from where?
Bohol.
Bohol. Okay. Ano pong team?
Land Explosion.
Grand Explosion. So, Explosion Rebecca. O Grand Explosion. Sabi ka na, ito si Ma'am Elvira, nag-explosion na raw.
You have the passion, you have the style, not only for the company, but for the people who you work with. Guys, you are unstoppable.
presidents. And sad to say at times, those vice presidents tend to go the other way around or think of their own, they have their own business decision. So for the past few years, I'd like to recognize two of the vice presidents that has stick to thick and thin. Okay, let's show them. So June and Sir Ernel, kindly approach the stage please. For the past, more or less, 20 years, on and off. These guys have traveled all over the Philippines, kumain ng tinakdalan sa Ilocos, sa Vega, Igaraw, kumain ng bakit-patong sa Igaraw, kumain ng tuna sa Jensen, halina discover kong isda, Pampano, di ba? Kumain ng kung ano-ano, Luzon, Visayas, sa Mindanao, may buhay ba? Fish like fish, kumain ng kung ano-ano sa Africa. Okay, they've been with us through thick and thin, and for so many years, they've been with us. So it's hard to become a vice president. And at their position, there's so many responsibilities that carries on their shoulders. So for the next few minutes, let's honor these two gentlemen for being with the company, for providing us their love, for providing us their expertise, solid expertise in the direct sales industry. Through thick and thin, they've been with us. And for the next 20 years, Grandpa Arnel will still be with us. So, thank you Arnel. Thank you June. I appreciate you guys for those things. On and off the camera, on and off the company. Thank you guys. Now, as we move forward for the next few more years of the company, we need to elevate some of the people on my team. Okay, and yeah, there are those executive, sweet executive officers that have left, but we all know, pag may nawawala, may pumapalit. Not only in the leadership, in the network side, but on the management side. Now, I'm giving you two of the next vice president on this prestigious moment. Let's show them. Our new vice president for business development, Mr. Perry Tapagas. Sad to say Perry is not joining us today because of a medical condition. Kanina nandito siya. Medyo hindi kinaya. Medyo madami yung paglabas ng food poisoning yata. Let's call Jason Lino on the stage, please. Jason will be the head for the marketing and operations of OBI, our digital protection side. So any concern when it comes to OBI, VP Jason is the guy. Let's give Jason a round of applause. And any concern when it comes to our Vivo Super App, it would always be Mr. Perry Tapares. And of course, with other business development, collaboration with brands, with companies, with new businesses here and abroad, they'll be directly reporting and communicating with me to expand our network, expand our divisions. Thank you, Jason. Congratulations. Appreciate you guys. And of course, as we move forward, the team is growing. It's growing to the point that we are welcoming back some officers. Okay, those who have a bit retired or semi-retired and who's rekindled the relationship with AGG. They're now on board, guys. Let's all welcome back Mr. Ian Barcenas and Mr. Joey Galiermo. Okay. The original Jericho Rosales trainer, of course, Ian. These guys will be traveling all over the Philippines and outside the Philippines to help us grow the network in terms of product training and business training and network development. So let's welcome Ian and Jogi the Great. Scoop last night, of course, was all Jogi. Okay, so they'll be joining the team and expanding the network. Thank you, Jogi. Welcome. Welcome, Ian. Also, ano yung next slide natin, also, for the past 20 years, all of us have seen how the company thrives, how the company survives, the ups and lows of business, the highs and lows, and the positive and the negative. I mean, our industry is like show business. There will be rumors, there will be social media posting, there will be reactions, diba? Whenever we do live or whenever we have huge event, there will be people from the other side of the fence. There will be people from our competitors watching, commenting, and then immediately posting something. Now it's for them to react and for us not to understand because we have formally moved forward. We have formally moved on. Kung sila hindi pa naka-move on, excuse me, tayo nakapag-move on na. Yes. We're enjoying our 20-year celebration. We're celebrating 20 years of experience, of success, and we're leveling up for our next 20 years. So if you've been hearing those kind of things, let me give you clarity. Let me give you some peace of mind. We're here to stay. And we're here not only to stay, but to dominate the field, to create the next trend, to create the next of this wonderful industry that have provided us with so much. Wherever we may go, I assure you, those leaders, those distributors who will stick with me, those leaders who will stick with AGG, I tell you, kasama nyo kami hanggang dulo. Kasama nyo kami yung bagong kasama nyo kami till the end of this journey. With your humongous dreams and ambitions, same goes with the ambitions of the company. Not only to fill this event space with successful people, with lives changed for the better, with people who are earning so much, making a difference, not only in this space, but in other fields, we're more than willing to support you. Marami pa po tayong pagsasamahan. Guys, if you still believe my capacity to lead, I welcome you to the next AGG. If you still believe in my capacity to transform each and everyone into their next level entrepreneurship journey, marami pa tayong pagsasamahan. We're just starting. Kung alam niyo lang yung mga kinakausap kong grupo, kung alam niyo lang yung mga bubuksan pa natin mga divisions at ecosystem that we will develop, I tell you, this will shape the industry so much. And I tell you as early as today, si Albert, special mention Albert, within the next coming weeks, other than that, Albert, yayanigan pong industriya. People will tell you, you staying with AGG will be your best decision ever. And of course, all of us in this journey, for the past 20 years, you have made so many business decisions. Whether to do this, do that, promote this, promote that, mentor this, mentor that, online, offline, EC, OBI, Alpha East, whatever. So many decisions. Personal decisions, business decisions. You made all of those things and still thrive. We respect each and every decision that you have made. Nire-respeto natin yan. So whatever the decision you have made for over the past few years, let's respect those decisions. Because when you build network, respect is earned. When you build credibility, it's not shoveled up to your throat. It's earned. So we are here to stay and we're here to build network for the long haul. Hindi lang mabilisan, but network that will thrive through thick and thin and through the years. So I tell you, if somebody would say, apply, nahirapan ako, baka gusto ko lumipat, let them be. But if there be leaders going back to you, let them be and celebrate it. For once, maybe ang kailangan lang nila mag-mature. There are leaders talking to me saying, Doc, ba't nung umalis ako, hindi mo ako pinigilan? Sabi ko, simple lang. I want you to experience something na wala sa AGG. Baka pag na-experience mo yun, mamiss mo ko. Baka pag na-experience mo yun, you can see the difference. Ang hirap pala dito, Doc. Ba't ba ako umalis? And when you go back, you would appreciate, oh, ito pala kasarap ang AGG culture. So I've been hearing those kind of questions. For those people who have been communicating with me for the past few nights and mornings, especially when they hear that we're launching a new product, we're launching new countries, we're launching faster system, faster payout, they're saying, aba, hindi pa pala huli ang lahat. Madami pang opportunities to excel. Let's respect their decision, personal and business. That's what I've been through for the past 20 years as well. I've made personal decisions, I've made business decisions, and here am I right now. I'm in one of my best versions ever. I eat once a day, I exercise, I meditate, I sleep 7 to 8 hours, not only for myself, but for me to sustain the health, the nutrients that I need so I can sustain the businesses that I have. Not only for me, but for each and every one of you. So guys, mahaba pa yung pagsasamahan natin. So I tell you, from this moment on, if you will stick with me and AGG, I tell you, we will bring direct sales and network marketing to the fullest level here in the Philippines. We will put Philippines in the global map and make them known. Make it known. Hey, yeah, we're Filipinos. We're from the third world country, but we are all over the world. Not only in terms of geography, not only in terms of ethnicity, but we're all over the world because of AGG and your entire network. So for the past few months, you have tried, you have struggled, you have pushed the efforts to excel. And last night you were honored. And I'm here to honor you again. Because last night I was not there for the top 20. Now, let me call some of the top 20s that were recognized last night. Christian, maybe you can help me.
Yes, I'd like to call on the top 20 to 16.
Anong naiuwi ni Dave? Mga flowers. Saan mo yung ibibigay? Hammers. Hammers. So, ganyan niya kamal yung mga full timer. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Abdasma. Yes, pauwi na kami. Sulit na sulit ang ating event. So, going home dahil pagod na ang ating paa. So thank you so much sa panonood ng aking vlog. Please like, subscribe, and comment.